वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइज। एंड लाइक वी हैव वन मोर डे लेफ्ट फॉर दिस ईयर टू बी गॉन and like it's almost New Year, so advance happy New Year to all of my lovely fantastics, and thank you so much to all of you guys. This year has been super amazing for us fantastics, and we are like 32k subscribers like this year. I just cannot believe it. Like so many things have happened this year. Last video I actually pinned my comment that was like let me know if you guys want to see a makeup look. So some of you guys have told me that yeah, you guys want to see a makeup look, but I really cannot get a clear idea of that. So if you guys want a makeup look of Christmas, I have recorded that video and I really wanted to know if you guys are interested in that, क्योंकि उसमें मेरे को मेरी परफेक्ट फाउंडेशन शेड मिली है एंड उसमें मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम फाउंडेशन यूज़ किया है. So that is a very special video for me. So if you guys want to see that, then please comment down below #makeup video. Then I will surely upload that makeup video in 2021, because this is the last day, thank God, of 2020, and I really hope कि 2021 काफ़ी अच्छा ईयर होगा. As of today that I am shooting this video, today is Kim Tae-hyung, my bias, V's birthday. So everybody in the chats, please write down happy birthday Kim Tae-hyung or happy birthday V. That is very easy. So let's everybody wish V a very happy birthday. And yeah, I am super happy. And if you guys want the insights of today's celebrations, like the cake cutting and the celebrations, I will do that offline, like at like 7-8 p.m. If you guys want that, then make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. You guys will get so many insights and so many personal things there on Fantastic Farhana and Farhana Nuzhat. Farhana Nuzhat is where I be like super active. Please be there also. The most important thing is like इस वीडियो में मैं अपने सब्सक्राइबर्स के वीडियोस पे रिएक्ट करने वाली हूँ. Some of my fantastics are also YouTubers and I am super proud. Oh my God. And I really want to like react to their content. So मैंने अपनी कम्युनिटी में डाला था कि आप लोग अपने चैनल के लिंक्स और like everything mention करें. I will check out and I will react to your guys videos. And yeah, let's see and look at some of my fantastics video. So fantastics right here, as you guys can see on your screens. So this is a channel of my fantastic, and the channel's name is Fantastic Anusha, and so many of you guys have sent this link to me and I was like super intrigued, and I have seen her channel before and I really wanted to mention her as well. Like I was super happy. And yeah, so let's react and let's see what she has to do. She is I think she is using my how to make Borax recipe in this, like the Surf Excel type. So yeah, and this video did super well. Oh my God, 80. Let's go ahead and see the video of my fantastics. I'm super kind of excited to see this. Like I have seen this very long ago and now I really wanted to react to it. And पहले मैं इसको mention करना चाहती थी but कोई video नहीं मिला था मेरे को mention करने के लिए, like, but this video is specially made to shout out you guys. So yeah, let's start the video now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. तो आप लोग सोच रहे हैं कि मैं किस का एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ. मैं फैंटास्टिक फरहाना की एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं उनकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ. तो मैं उनके बिना रह भी नहीं सकती. मैं हर दिन एक वीडियो करके मैं भी देखती हूँ.
You guys listen that right? मेरे बिना नहीं हो सकती. Oh my God, that's so sweet. Oh my God, this is amazing. Like this is super heart touching, and yeah, she is so sweet. Oh my God, like that's amazing. And she watches my video every day. That just made my day today. Like I'm super happy now. Like wow. This is just amazing. So yeah, let's see. That's very nice.
तो मैं उनके वीडियो से एक स्लाइम रेसिपी ट्राई करने वाली. तो चलिए मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ.
Let's
तो
see.
पहले मैं लूंगी एक बोल, फिर मुझे लेना है फेविकॉल. लेकिन मैं अभी एक्टिव सुना है कि सर्फ एक्सेल जो है ना ये जल्दी से एक्टिवेट हो जाता है. आई थिंक सो दैट विल हैपन. अभी मैं सीजर से मैं कट कर लूंगी.
She talks super sweetly and
और मैं यहाँ पे यूज करूंगी सॉल्ट. ठीक है. सॉरी गाइस, मेरा गला खराब हो गया इसलिए मेरा खांसी भी है.
oh my god. I didn't expected that. Like मैंने ये वीडियो मेरे को बहुत बार एक्चुअली में सबमिट हुआ था, बट आई नेवर वॉच्ड इट लाइक दिस मच एंड दिस इज सो क्यूट. oh my god, this is so cute. Let's just watch it and let's see if that slime works or not. By the way, this is from my video called as how to make Borax, and in this we make slime activator by using detergent and salt, and mostly that works, but थोड़े लोगों का वो नहीं बनता because they use या तो वो उनका salt थोड़ा अजीब होता है, और या तो उनका डिटर्जेंट काम नहीं करता है, या तो there are many reasons. So yeah, let's see if her slimes actually works or not, and I will be super happy if that works, and let's see. Oh my god, she's so cute.
तो ये रहा बोल. तो मैं अभी बोल में डालूंगी सिर्फ 2 चम्मच. एक और मैं अभी 2 थोड़े चम्मच डालूंगी. ये गोश्त क्यों नहीं रहा यार, गुस्सा होता है.
Oh my god,
तो
that's a good amount, I guess. That's a very nice amount. आप पहले थोड़ा थोड़ा बना के ट्राई कीजिए and then you guys will get a hang of it. But yeah, आपको पहले थोड़ा थोड़ा शुरू करना चाहिए.
अभी
Like
मैं डालूंगी सॉल्ट.
yeah, salt. Let's add.
सॉल्ट है तो मैं अभी डालूंगी कितना था, एक बार इतना मेजरमेंट है. एक
Let's start little by little. It is a nice choice.
3 बार डाला. मिक्सर को बहुत अच्छे से मिक्स करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि उन्होंने दिखाया है कि
I have showed that. You guys, oh my god.
बहुत अच्छे से इसको स्टर कर लेंगे. तो फिर उसके बाद हम एक पेस्ट बना लेंगे. फिर इसको मिक्स करते रहना चाहिए. इसको ये हो जाए. तो हमारा मिक्सर पूरा रेडी हो चुका है. तो इसमें हम वाटर ऐड करेंगे.
Okay.
अब अंदाजा लगा दीजिए से हम लोगों को पेस्ट बनाना है, इसीलिए
Paste बनाना.
पेस्ट की तरह इसको स्टर करना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक हम लोग को थोड़ा और चाहती हूँ. मेरा स्लाइम थोड़ी जैसे होते नूडल्स को ये चाहती हूँ. मेरा स्लाइम रेडी हो जाए. ये मेरा फर्स्ट स्लाइम है. आई एम क्वाइट नर्वस.
Okay, so she is making slime for the first time. I thought she has done this before, and now I am nervous. If the slime doesn't work out, oh my god, she is really going to be sad, and I really don't want that to happen. क्योंकि detergent slimes कभी-कभी काम करती हैं, कभी नहीं. And I will be also super happy if this works. So let's see if this works or not. Oh my god. Mix it. अच्छे से mix करना चाहिए, obviously.
मिक्स करने के बाद कुछ इस तरीके से टाइप का हो जाएगा.
It does look good. It looks like it can work.
अभी मैं इसको एक साइड में रख देती हूँ. तो अभी मैं अपना बोल में ग्लू पोर करती हूँ. मैं खोलूंगी. मैं थोड़ा ही डालूंगी. I don't know.
थोड़े से start करना चाहिए, guys. Oh my god, she's doing like really nice, एंड मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि लाइक आप थोड़े थोड़े से स्टार्ट कीजिए, एंड देन अगर दैट वर्क्स देन यूज योर होल बॉटल एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड शी इज डूइंग इट super nicely. So yeah, let's see.
That's enough. इतना enough है.
That's
ये
enough.
first time है, I'm quite nervous.
Oh my god, she's
और
talking
अगर
like me.
Fantastic फरहाना आप मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना.
I will like this and share and subscribe this.
थोड़ा ग्लू ये करूंगी. My God, क्या भाई.
I actually saw her video. That's amazing. You guys, you should also like do a video like this. Test any of my video and like upload it. I really want to. I really want to see like if my recipe works, like how it does work, and let me know and मेरे को बताना कि मेरी रेसिपी काम कर रही है या नहीं in that video, and I will be super happy. And yeah, I'm kind of proud right now, but let's see if this works or not.
बहुत hard है इसको खोलना यार. तो मैं यहाँ पे यूज करूँ फैब्रिक कलर.
Okay.
मैं इसमें डालूंगी. Oh my God,
She's so cute, by the
तो
way.
सामने
Like,
मेरा
it's
भाई बैठा
amazing.
है, ये मुझे हेल्प कर रहा है. तो मैं इसको मिक्स कर लेती हूँ. बहुत नर्वस. ब्लड हो गया पूरा यार. मम्मी मुझे छोड़ेगी. यहाँ पे तो पिंक लिप लेकिन कैमरा पे ना तो फोकस नहीं कर रहा.
अरे,
क्या हो गया?
this is so cute. Oh my god. बेचारी का गला भी खराब है. Oof.
ये कैमरा पे थोड़ा ऑरेंज लग रहा है ना गाइस. यहाँ पे पिंक लग रहा है. तो चलो अभी मैं थोड़ा इसका मिक्सचर भी फिर से मैं इसको मिक्स करके इसको अंदर वो करूँगी. ये मिक्सचर ये तो ब्लू टाइप का है. आई थिंक ये पर्पल हो सकता है.
Purple is a nice
इतना
color.
डालूंगी.
Oh my god.
This light it हो रहा है गाइस.
It is actually okay. Oh my god.
Your first time ever in the life है.
Oh. Ever in the...
फैंटास्टिक फरहाना. मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. ये एक्टिवेट हो रहा है. वो
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I'm super happy. Wow. See you guys, my recipes work. They work super nicely, and I never show you guys a recipe that is not working. And yeah, इसलिए मेरे चैनल पे बहुत कम है नो ग्लू नो बोरॉक्स रेसिपीज, क्योंकि वैसी बुलशिट रेसिपीज मैं नहीं बनाती. बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइंड मोर एंड मोर नो ग्लू नो बोरॉक्स रेसिपीज, सो देयर माइट बी सम ऑफ new no borax no glue recipes in my channel in 2021. So yeah, just subscribe and keep that bell notification on so you guys will be informed whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, feels so good. It does activate.
वाटर मैंने कुछ ज्यादा ही डाल दिया. तो वाटर को मैं एक्सेस वाटर को जो है ना इसको डाल दूंगी जिसमें फैंटास्टिक फरहाना ने बताया है.
मैंने बताया है. Oh my god, she's so excited. I was also super happy when I first made slime.
और भी ये वाटर इसको चिप के नीप के बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा. और पीछे तो पूरा हो चुका है. निकाल सकती हूँ मैं, लेकिन ये पीछे ना ग्लू है. चलो अभी इसको बाहर निकाल के मैं खेलती हूँ.
Let's see.
ना थोड़ा खेलना पड़ेगा. ये होगा नहीं. तो मैं अभी इसको खेलने वाली हूँ.
Oh my god, she's so happy.
पता नहीं आप लोगों को दिख रहा है या नहीं, ये मेरा फर्स्ट स्लाइम एवर इन द वर्ल्ड। स्लाइम बन गया गाइस। अभी मैं इसको यहाँ पे रख दूंगी, चलो अभी इसको खेलना पड़ेगा।
Wow, that is a slime, guys, by the way,
मैं तो स्लाइम तो बन गया,
without Borax.
लेकिन मुझे हाथ से कुछ खेलना पड़ेगा, तो ये बहुत अच्छी तरीके से स्लाइम बन सकता है। ये थोड़ा मेल्टी टाइप का है, लेकिन मुझे टेक्सचर जो है ना बहुत अच्छा लगा, लेकिन वाटर मैंने कुछ ज्यादा ही डाल दिया।
But this is an amazing slime.
I'm so happy guys, please congratulate me.
Congratulations.
तो ये रहा मेरा स्लाइम का वीडियो। अगर मेरा स्लाइम का वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। तो तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर, बाय।
Oh my god. This is so sweet. Yeah, Fantastics. That was my reaction to one of my Fantastic, and that was super sweet. And now I am going to shout out some of my Fantastics channels जिन्होंने मेरे को लिंक भेजा and wanted me to see their videos, but आज का टाइम हमारा इतना ही था, so I am going to give your guys channels a very big shout out to my videos. So I hope you guys like that as well. So now I am going to go in my community, and as you guys can see, in my community over here, I have asked to show your guys channels, and your guys channels are here, and so many of you guys have requested as well. So I am going to shout out to everyone over here. So first is Crafty Pill, this channel. So they make a lot of craft videos, so I hope you guys like craft. If you guys like craft, then you guys can go and subscribe their channel. And yeah, so next shout out is going to be Lena Vlogs. I hope, yeah, she makes videos as well. Oh my god, I have seen this video of hers, and she is asking me if she should make a slime video of that. And yeah, you should. Eye drops really works as a slime activator with a little bit of baking soda, so make sure. And yeah, this is her channel, so 7 subscribers. So if you guys like slime and yeah, gaming videos, I can see some gaming videos. So if you guys want that kind of videos, you guys can subscribe to Lena Vlogs. And yeah, next let's see Atib and Adyan Show. I think they have a channel. Yeah, they have a channel as well, and yeah, they have 39 subscribers. So this is their content. If you like videos like this, then you guys can go and subscribe to their channel as well. And yeah, let's see. Let's see. No, she doesn't have a channel. I think they have a channel. Yes, they have. And yeah, if you guys are interested in this kind of content, then you guys can go and subscribe Khushi's Glitters World. And yeah, let's see. And as you guys can see your names on the screens, shout out to all of you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for so much support. You guys are literally just amazing. Thank you so much, all of you guys. And yeah, these are the peoples who commented and wanted a shout out as well. Let's go and check out some Instagram fam. So Fantastics, now we are going to check out my Instagram family, and I really wanted to shout out them as well. They have been a really supportive family on Instagram as well. So now I am going to shout out some of my fantastics that has been messaging me and gave me a lot of positive energy in this pandemic time. So as you guys can see, here we are on my Instagram page, which is Farhana Nuzhat. Here is V's photo. So this is my official account, guys, and this is a picture of a tower of Seoul, I guess. Yes, oh my god, look at how cool this Korea looks. And yeah, here I will show you guys a little bit. Yeah, so as you guys can see on your screens, this page, BTS Forever 070, this is one of my fantastics, and this is kind of a collab between me and her as well. So she posts like some amazing BTS memes and like that. So like this one, this is like super hilarious, and like literally no one, 6-year-old me complaining my parents why they didn't invite me to their wedding, like cries in Gucci. It's super amazing and super funny, and as you guys can see, it's just kind of cool. Her channel is super nice and her content is super amazing, and she just started her Instagram like not a very long ago. Like she only has 19 posts and she already has 795 followers. So you guys might think, so you guys can see how amazing her content is, and this is a very big shout out to her. She is one of my fantastics as well. She's super cute. Lemti Lokkumar. I think if I am pronouncing your name wrong, I'm very sorry. But yeah, this is her channel. She messages me a lot and she like always congratulate me. She's like super lovely, as you guys can see. She always congratulates me and like gives me hope and gives me a lot of positive energy. So a very big shout out to you as well. And she already has, like you guys can see, 1445 followers, which is more than me on Instagram. So yeah, she's amazing and she is a very nice friend of mine as well. So fantastics, as you guys have seen just now, all of my fantastics were super lovely, and they are the world to me. They give me so much positive energy. Like I really don't have a lot of friends in real life. Like you guys might think I have a lot of friends like that, but I only have like a little bit of my army friends, which is from my school, and my best friend, like I only have one best friend, and she is K-pop Charms, or I am Hazira on Instagram. So yeah, I only have a little bit of friends, and I am a super like introvert kind of person. So talking to you guys make me feel super happy and made my day always. And I really love you guys from all of my heart. And yeah, thank you so much for watching another amazing video. In this, you guys were there, so it was like super amazing video. So thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.